All right, we're trying to figure out the value of square root of x plus square root of y. And if I look at clue 1, x plus y is 15. Well, that will not work because you've got all kinds of choices. You might have 10 plus 5 is 15. So that's where x equals 10 and 5 equals y. Or it could easily be, 12 plus 3. So clue 1 does not work by itself. Clue 2 says the square root of x times y equals 6. That does not work independently either because it might be 3 times 2 or it might be 1 times 6. So that doesn't work. So you forget about each of them working independently. Now let's put them both together. So let's take clue 1, and that would be x, and let's solve for x. X equals 15 minus y. You could solve for x or y, it doesn't matter. And then let's take this expression for x and substitute it in clue 2. So that would be the square root of x, which is 15 minus y times a y equals a 6. And then square both sides, and also get rid of your parentheses on the left-hand side. That would give you negative y squared plus 15y equals 36. Let's multiply through by negative 1. Because, well, let's move everything to the other side. That will save us a little bit of time. And that will give me y squared minus 15y plus 36. So this is a quadratic equation. And I believe it will factor into a y there and a y there. Because y times y will give you y squared. And let's do a 12, a minus 12, and a minus 3. Minus, it gives you positive 36, and it gives you a negative 15y in the middle. So you set both of those equal to 0. Y minus 12 equals 0, and that gives you y equals 12. Y minus 3 equals 0, and that gives you y equals 3. So let's see, does that answer the question? So if y is 12, we know that x equals 15 minus y. If y is 12, that's x equals 15 minus 12, which is 3. So we've got a 15, we've got a 12 and a 3. Now, if y equals 3, we've got x equals 15 minus 3, which is 12. So now we have a 12 and a 3. So it doesn't matter. You got square root of x plus square root of y. We don't have to know which is x and which is y. We know we have a 12 and a 3. So that answers the question. So the answer would be C.